of capital markets in Saudi Arabia?
Well, the capital markets in Saudi Arabia is a relatively recent activity. You know, the CMA was established in 2003, and the company started getting authorized by the Capital Markets Authority around 2005. So there's been a lot of learning over the past few years. So it is not very old, it remains fairly recent. A lot of evolution. It didn't help that we had a stock market crash in 2006, and also they experienced the credit crisis, of 2007 and 2008. Which impacted the capital markets and the speed of development, to the extent where we were expecting things to develop a lot faster. However, I think over the past few years there has been a lot of development, improvement that we are beginning to see the results of. Filtering through. Initially, a lot of companies applied for the licenses to the point where it went beyond 100 companies. And then suddenly the number of authorized companies went down massively. And it's only over the past couple of years that we're seeing companies come back and apply to get licensed by the Capital Markets Authority. Also, we have found that initially a lot of companies requested many licenses where the scope of activities was whatever was offered by the Capital Market Authority. Many licenses did not get utilized. And the Capital Market Authority has requested the authorized persons, sort of companies licensed by the CMA, to surrender any licenses that is not active, or any kind of license, for a business activity that they're not planning to develop. Now that they understand the environment a bit better. They understand the challenges a little bit better, because without an edge, it's very difficult to actually, compete and develop a viable and profitable business. The scope of the activities, I'm sure you know, covers many different areas, from the dealing, one as an agent, as a principal, the underwriting, the arranging, the management of investment funds, management of client portfolios, advisory, custody. So the scope of activities is massive, and every single company has its own business profile and its own strategy as to which areas they can compete in, they want to compete in, which areas they feel they have an edge. So we do see a significant, diversity of activities by the different companies licensed by the Capital Market Authority.